10 Ways to keep your teeth in good shape. 1. Always wash your teeth before bedtime. Brushing your teeth at least twice a day is a well-known tip. Despite this, many of us still fail to wash our teeth at night. Brushing before bed, on the other hand, removes bacteria and plaque that have built up during the day. 2. Brush your teeth thoroughly. Brushing your teeth properly is just as essential as brushing them at all. To eliminate plaque, take your time and use the toothbrush in gentle, circular strokes. Plaque that is not removed might harden, causing calculus and gingivitis, early gum disease. 3. Don't forget about your tongue. Plaque can also accumulate on the tongue. Not only may this cause foul breath, but it can also cause other oral health issues. Brush your tongue gently after brushing your teeth. 4. Brush your teeth with fluoride toothpaste. There are more essential aspects to look for in toothpaste than whitening power and tastes. Make sure it contains fluoride, regardless of which version you choose. 5. Flossing is just as vital as brushing. Many people who brush on a regular basis forget to floss. As Jonathan Schwartz, DDS, points out, flossing isn't simply for getting rid of small bits of food or vegetables caught between your teeth. It's a technique to stimulate the gums, remove plaque, and assist reduce inflammation in the area, says the dentist. 6. Don't allow flossing issues to keep you from flossing. Flossing is tough for many people, especially small children and elderly people with arthritis. Rather than giving up, seek out equipment that can assist you in flossing your teeth. Dental flossers that are ready to use from the drugstore can help. 7. Take into account mouthwash. Mouthwash appears to be important for excellent dental health in advertisements, yet many individuals don't use it because they don't understand how it works. Mouthwash, according to Schwartz, is beneficial in 3 ways. It lowers acid levels in the mouth, cleans hard-to-reach regions in and around the gums, and remineralizes teeth. He says, mouthwashes are important as an auxiliary tool to assist bring everything into balance. I believe that mouthwash is especially beneficial in youngsters and the elderly when brushing and flossing may be difficult. 8. Increase your water intake. Water is the finest beverage for general health, as well as oral health. Schwartz also suggests drinking water after each meal as a general guideline. In between brushing, this can help wash away some of the harmful effects of sticky and acidic meals and beverages. 9. Consume a variety of crunchy fruits and vegetables. Ready-to-eat meals are handy, but they might not be so good for your teeth. Fresh, crisp food is not only higher in nutritious fiber, but it is also better for your teeth. Schwartz advises parents to start their children on harder-to-eat and chew meals at an early age. So stay away from excessively processed foods, stop chopping things into small bits, and keep those jaws moving. 10. Keep sugary and acidic meals to a minimum. Sugar eventually breaks down into acid in the mouth, which erodes the enamel of your teeth. Cavities are caused by these acids. Teeth enamel can be eroded by acidic fruits, drinks, and coffee. While you don't have to completely avoid certain meals, it's always a good idea to be aware. Do this 30-second trick before brushing your teeth to rebuild your gums, teeth and get rid of tooth decay. Click the link in description.